Welcome to the world of UpRock, where you and Rocket can embark on an adventure to earn rewards and keep your wallet safe. Say goodbye to the days of endless tabs and hello to personalized deals and insights in real time. UpRock is here to break the chains of closed AI platforms, offering a beacon of truth and democratizing AI data access. By joining the UpRock network, you become part of an AI liberation movement, enriching your wallet and contributing to a smarter, liberated internet. Transform your dormant internet into passive income with UpRock's reward program. Effortlessly sign up and start earning rewards, including UpRock's official crypto token, $UPT, in under 2 minutes. With UpRock, you can earn rewards for travel deals, tokens, airtime minutes, and more. Join a people-powered AI-to-pin network that redraws the map of AI data acquisition, free from the clutches of closed platforms. The Knowledge Abstraction Layer, KAL, orchestrates advanced web crawling to pioneer a fair, open AI data world. Download the UpRock app on Android or macOS to start earning rewards now. Join Rocket on an adventure to unlock the power of your shared bandwidth and become a pioneer in the open AI landscape. No complicated setup or credit card required, just install the app and start earning rewards today. So what are you waiting for? Join Rocket and start earning rewards with UpRock today. Let's revolutionize the way we interact with AI and take control of our data in a whole new way. UpRock is here to empower you and your loyal AI